Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for not posting for months, but I didn't have that much time, so I'm sorry guys, but I am here with a brand new unboxing video. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a Boeing 757-200 from Herpa 10500. This guy is 10500 and the airline is Icelandair. The model is looking really good, and the livery is the 80 years of aviation from 1937 to 2017, and it's officially licensed by Boeing. And it's a really good model, and I have already unboxed it and I have already seen it. I'm just showing you guys this because I don't think so that you want to miss this unboxing, because this airplane is really cool and really good. In the here of the top it says the registration of it is the TFFIR, and the nickname of it is the Vatnajöküll. It's I don't know what kind of name is that, but I think it's in the Icelandish language. So let's get started. I'm really I can say a really big thank you so much for my dad for buying me this. He bought me this for Easter. The model from here is really good, and as you can see, I have put it back to the box because I want a really good unboxing video. So let's unbox it. So here's the model. It looks really good, and I really, how do I say, I really regret buying this model because it's really cool. It's not that detailed on the wing, but that painting, like, look at this. That painting on the airplane is really cool. As you can see, the registration here, it's kind of good, and the most detailed part of it is it's like the body of it. You can see here the nickname of it, the Vatnajöküll, and the fuselage there, the engine, the gears. The wing is not really detailed, but there are some scratched parts of it, and I think it's really good, and I really regret buying this. The mount is on the plane, and it's really good. It's really good, and I think every people who love aviation should buy this, because this is a really good model. I know it's pretty small, but I think it's regret buying because, okay, it's small, but it's really detailed on the body of it. I think it's a really good model and really cool, and I think it's really good for like stop motion videos and videos like that. it's really good for model airports. I am building a model airport right now, another one that will be Debrecen International Airport, which is a pretty small airport, but it's near me, and Debrecen International Airport is in Hungary, and Hungary is where I live. It's really hard to speak in English for me, but I'm trying my best to speak in an English accent and in a really good accent in the English language. Also, the box is detailed on it because there are the mountains there, and on the side of it it's detailed, and I love this picture. And thanks to Michael Fritz who captured this model. Sorry, not model, this picture, because it looks really good. So I think this model is really good, and you can see the registration right there, the TFFIR. So this will be today's video, and I think I keep posting these unboxing videos or like my model airport videos, and I think I really regret buying this model because it's really good and the body of it is really detailed. The wing is not really detailed, but it's okay. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe if you want, but it's your choice. So have a good day, people. Bye.